know the time and what must be done. You don't know, like, bro, it's over. Save yourself, black man. Just go on straight. I'm telling you. Go on about your business, bro. We can sit here all we want to and play games. Bro, I'm watching the black man destroy himself. I'm watching the black woman destroy herself. And the children is coming right up behind us. Little boy 5 years old. Little boy 10 years old now. Now he 15. He out there. That's the little baby that you had in your hand. The little baby that was a little bitty baby. He's 5 now. Imagine this. He's another 5. He's 10.